In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Shopify payments that are stuck on pending. If your customers' payments are not completing properly, it can delay orders and affect your store. But there are a few simple things you can check to solve the problem. First, sign into your Shopify account and open your store dashboard. If you don't already have an account, create one and complete the setup process before continuing. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From there, select Payments. This is where you can review and manage your payment providers. One of the most common reasons payments stay on pending is incorrect payment gateway details. Check that your payment provider account is connected properly. Make sure the account information, email address, API keys, or passwords are entered correctly. Even a small mistake can prevent payments from processing normally. If you are using a third-party payment provider, open the provider settings and confirm that your account is active and verified. Some payment services may hold transactions if your account setup is incomplete or requires verification. You should also check whether your payment provider has any alerts or restrictions. Sometimes payments remain pending because of security checks or temporary processing delays. In this case, logging into your payment provider account can help you identify the issue. If everything looks correct but the problem continues, the next step is to contact support. In your Shopify dashboard, click your profile icon and open the Help or Support section. Search for payment issues and follow the instructions to contact support if needed. Support can review your account and help identify why payments are not being processed. After checking your payment settings and confirming your payment provider is working correctly, most pending payment issues should be resolved. And that's how you fix Shopify payments stuck on pending. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.